back, y'all, to another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is our vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Let's get debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But there's somebody else out to get our free plants. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all the good plants if we don't get to them first. We actually have, you know, we have the daylight savings time, so it's light outside, but it's kind of rainy. The clouds, it looks pretty, it doesn't look that stormy out today, but it is raining a little bit, and I looked on the radar, and there's no sign of chance of rain, so I don't know. Hopefully we won't get caught in too much rain today. But we're gonna get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good.
Yeah.
All right, first find of the day. We pulled up on this giant pile of giant bromeliads.
Yep.
Let's see if Teddy can get one, just one out of this pile. He's probably gonna pull the whole thing. Let's see. Sometimes they're all stuck together. Give it a yank there, kiddo. Oh yeah, that's nice.
I'll take
both of those, yeah. All right, we will definitely save those two from the trash. All right, we had to turn around because I zoomed right past this, but Teddy spotted what?
Tea plant.
Let me see, where is it? I don't see it. Oh, there it is, Red Sister tea plant. This is one that's easy to root from cuttings, so we will definitely save that from the trash. All right, so we just got that tea plant, but Teddy spotted something else. What you got, kiddo?
Elephant ear.
Nice. Do they have roots?
Yes.
Oh, sweet. We are definitely going to save those from the trash.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Good eye, kiddo.
Thanks.
All right, we just rolled up on a bin of gold Capella Schefflera. Beautiful. This one's easy to root from cuttings. Makes a real nice hedge. You can grow it as a specimen plant too. It's just a really cool plant, so we'll definitely save some of these cuttings from the trash. All right, we just found some, what we get?
Bridal bouquet plumeria.
Yeah, there's also some Schefflera in there, but we're gonna leave it. But we are gonna save some of these bridal bouquet plumeria cuttings because we can root those from cuttings, and they have some real pretty white flowers. So
yeah.
We'll definitely save some of those from the trash. All right, y'all, this is the street they always beat us to. As you can see, we got up early today and they haven't done this whole street yet, so we're gonna zoom past these guys here when they stop, and we're gonna get ahead of them and see if we can get some good stuff before they crush it all up. They're just crushing them up right now. There go all the good plants in the crusher. So we'll zoom up here and see if we can get some good stuff. All right, we got a bin of ficus here, a rubber tree. And this one's like super duper easy to root from cuttings. Super duper easy. Grows real quick too, so we'll save one or two of these from the trash.
Yeah.
All right, we got a whole pile here of Dracaena. Look at it all. Oh my gosh, there's tons and tons to choose from. Where do we even start? There we go. Let me see that one. It's not the prettiest cutting, but it will root. Super easy to root from cuttings. Here, maybe get one more.
Yeah.
And looks like there's a couple good ones right down here, kiddo.
Yeah.
Right down there, yeah. Not that big one. Maybe get those little ones.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll definitely save those from the trash. All right, so while we were getting the Dracaena out of this pile, we noticed this plumeria here. Teddy and I almost passed it up, but we noticed that it is the pink. It's this kind of light pink variety. I don't know if you can see the flowers on this one right here, but it's a real pretty variety, and plumeria is super easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save that one from the trash. So I had to stop and show this teeny little agave right here just put off this big, huge flower. How cool is that?
That's funny.
Yeah, it is funny. The flower's bigger than the plant.
Like 5 times bigger.
Yeah.
Maybe
Oh,
more.
and look at all the pollinators up there. They just love it, don't they? Holy cow, look at them. All the bees just going crazy in that.
And it's morning.
Yeah, super cool.
Like early morning.
All right, we stopped to investigate because we saw this fern here, and yes, it does have roots. Excellent. I don't know the variety of this. Maybe Simpson stopper? Yeah, kiddo, I think that might be what it is. We'll ask your mom, but it does have roots, so we can definitely save this from the trash and plant it home. All right, so Teddy and I scored with some good clean surf yesterday.
Yeah.
We thought we'd check the beach today, but it's obviously extremely windy out here.
See, wet caps.
Yeah.
Not allowed.
I don't think we're gonna be surfing today, but we thought we'd do a surf check to show everybody the beach anyways.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yes, the sea is angry today.
It's like a washing machine.
It looks nothing like yesterday.
Go out there, you'll end up in the Bahamas.
Yeah, oh my goodness. You can see this time of year we get a whole bunch of sargassum on the beach, sargassum seaweed, which is actually not bad. We can find sea beans and stuff like that in it.
Yeah.
But we will not be surfing today.
It's actually not as bad as I thought.
No, paddle battle though.
Oh,
Look at all
yeah.
that whitewash. All right, well, I'm glad we came down and checked it because it is a beautiful morning. Look at that sunrise over there. I guess we're a little past the sunrise, but just a beautiful morning here at the beach. All right, y'all, we made it back to the house. Hey, kiddo? All right, so let's show everybody what we got. In all honesty, we didn't do, I would say this was an average Plant Pirates week, okay?
Yeah.
I think last week, if you watched last week's episode, we did so good because a lot of the Hurricane Milton piles were still out and had a whole bunch of stuff in them.
Yeah. By now they've gotten picked up.
Yeah,
But
yeah, they gotten picked up. They've all gotten picked up. So we are left with just what people put out on a weekly basis. But we still got some good stuff.
yeah.
So let's show them. What do we got?
First, wedding bouquet.
Bridal bouquet
Bridal
plumeria.
bouquet,
I always call it wedding bouquet plumeria too, but it's, I think the proper term is bridal bouquet. You can see these are some sorry little cuttings, but they're easy to root from cuttings. We have one. I have one planted over here. I have a prettier one back here. Let's go walk back there and show everybody just so they can see the difference. So this is like your normal plumeria. You can see it's not looking great because we're at the end of the season. Plumeria loses its leaves here. Plumeria is weird though. The first thing to shoot off in the spring is flowers, and then the last thing in the fall is flowers. It'll have flowers without leaves on it.
Which looks really wacky.
It does look really wacky, yes. But we do have a bridal bouquet plumeria over here, and I know that it has flowers on it. So let's go find it. Let's see, it's, where is it? Oh, and look at this beautiful parrot heliconia that we have right here.
Oh, whoa.
It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right, here we go. So here's a bridal bouquet plumeria that Teddy and I found as a cutting and planted. You can see now it's probably 8 feet tall. But right up at the top are the nice pretty flowers. Whoops.
No.
Oh, I just broke some, so we'll plant
Another
that.
plant.
Yep, just poke that in the ground somewhere. There we go. But you can see up here, I'll try not to break it again. Here are the flowers. They're not quite as fragrant as the other variety of plumerias, the normal plumerias, I guess.
Yeah.
But they're real pretty, and these sometimes don't lose their leaves in the winter here.
Yeah.
Which is nice. So I'm glad we will always take some of that. Man, look at this parrot heliconia. It is just so gorgeous.
I love heliconias and lobster claws.
They're just so gorgeous. Yeah, I guess while we're back here, let's show everybody the lobster claw heliconia we have. Let's see, where is it? Back here. Back here by the pool, I think. Let's see, right here. Here we go. You can see this one. It puts off these just beautiful, crazy tropical flowers. My only complaint about
There's
this...
more right here.
Where? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that one. That's a beautiful one. My only complaint about this plant, as you can see, it's very floppy. It just kind of it kind of needs to be like a fence needs to be holding it up or something. Because it's super tropical. The foliage is tropical. The flowers don't get any more tropical. But it is kind of floppy. So, all right, let's go show everybody else what we got. Look at all of our coconuts up here. Tons of coconuts.
Turn it into a garden tour.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. What else did we get today? What else did we get? Here's our oranges, our mandarin oranges. Oh yeah, they're like a week or two away from being
We got one
ready
already.
to pick. We did get one, yeah.
I bet when we get back there'll be some on the ground.
Probably. All right. What else? What else did we get? What's next?
Some tea plant, I guess.
Okay, yep.
The red sister.
Red sister tea plant. We collect tea plants. I love tea plants. We have tons of different varieties of tea plants. We got a couple up here. I won't go on and on because I have tons of tea plants, but let's see. We have the Harlequin right here.
Yep. We have the red sister.
Let's see.
We just
Yep.
got.
This is and these are all ones that we planted from cuttings that Teddy and I found.
Then the Auntie Lou.
Yep, the Auntie Lou right here.
It's not looking so great because of the storm.
You got this funny little one down here. We got another variety over here. I think we have like 15 or 20 varieties. I guess we have to go show everybody the pink diamond, right?
Yeah, there's one by the pool, but the best one's over
The best one's over here. So let's go. There's one by the pool?
Yeah, I noticed it the other day.
In the pool area?
In the pool area, there's a small one we need to move.
I don't remember planting that, but we have a pink diamond tea plant over here that's just spectacular. And we should,
Coolest tea plant ever.
I know, we should probably move this one because it's like over here on the side of the house. We hardly ever go over here.
This is like the Plant Pirates place where we take all our stuff and stick it until we find a place to put it.
Yeah, this is kind of like our little nursery here. And then we'll just divide this stuff out around the property.
But man.
Yeah, look at that one right there. This is probably my favorite tea plant.
One of my favorite
So
plants.
pretty. I just love this one. We definitely need to take some cuttings from this and spread it around. All right, cool. Let's go show everybody else what we got. All right. Do we have any tea plants? Here's another tea plant right here. We got another tea plant right here. And some more tea plants over here. We just love our tea plants. In fact, I think I have a green tea plant in here somewhere.
There.
Yep, there's one right here. It's behind this red sister. We have tea plants everywhere. There's another red sister. I love my tea plants. All right, what else you got?
Okay, I think I finally, oh wait, no. Elephant ear.
Yes. Elephant ear is a great one here because almost everything we plant here wants full sun, and the elephant ear will stand full shade.
And it gets spectacular.
Yeah, they get huge. The leaves will get bigger than the trash cans. It's just a cool one to pop in. Like I have some popped in over there along the driveway. You just pop it in with the tea plants and the...
And it matches real nice.
Yep. Pop some ginger in, some bromeliads at the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, what else?
Okay,
You
this...
yank that big bushel out without getting cut, without getting sliced up. All right, look at that. This giant orange bromeliad. Nice. We got two of them actually. And they look pretty healthy. The whole purpose of us grabbing any bromeliad though is to plant them and wait for them to shoot off new pups or new offspring. And then we have, you know, lots to choose from. But those actually look pretty good. Usually when we find bromeliads in the trash, they've already flowered and they're like totally spent, but these haven't yet, so.
Yeah, they even come with some free mulch.
Yeah, great. What else we got?
Some Boston fern, we think.
Yeah, our plant app, I'm not a fern expert, and our plant app is telling us this is Boston fern, which is actually native to Florida, so it could be a Boston fern. I'm not sure. But it does have roots, and my wife is real happy with it. She already came out and looked at it, so I'm glad we got it. She wants to plant that right away, so stoked. I think we already have some of this planted by our pool equipment.
Yes.
Might be a different kind, I don't know.
Okay, we got some plumeria, and the reason we got this is because it's like a fuchsia white color.
Yeah, it's yeah. Most of the plumeria we find around here is the white and yellow variety, which is the most fragrant. But
Yes.
you know, I like.
We have a million
Yeah,
cuttings.
and I like collecting plants, so we might already have this variety. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure
I'm
we
pretty
do.
sure we do, but
We probably
still,
have 10 varieties of plumeria.
all slightly different from each
Yeah,
other.
all slightly different. All right, what up? What's next?
Some gold capella schefflera.
Schefflera, yes. This is one that's just, it's a real common hedge in our area. You can hedge this thing down to the ground, or it can be a 6-foot tall hedge. It could be a 20-foot wide hedge. In fact, I have a huge hedge of it right over here. We already walked through here, but I'll show you. I don't think, this isn't the gold capella variety. This is the solid green variety, but you can see this giant hedge right here. We have this invasive arrow, I think it's called an arrowroot or arrowhead vine. It's growing up through it. I got to rip all that out, but I have this schefflera on both sides here. It's super cool, super tropical. Some of the other Schefflera varieties, there's some Schefflera around here that turns into trees, and they're super invasive. Partly because they put off a lot of berries that the animals just love, and then you know, the birds will eat them and poop them out and spread it all over the place. Super cool plant nonetheless.
Okay. We got some Dracaenas.
Dracaena, yeah. Another one that's super
dragon
easy to
tree.
root from cuttings. Yep, sometimes called the dragon tree. Cuttings actually don't look that bad. When we pulled them up off the road, I thought they looked kind of toasty, but they don't look that bad.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You got anything else in there?
Got some ficus or rubber tree.
Rubber tree. This is the easiest plant to root from cuttings.
This and Schefflera.
Yeah, and you can take this cutting here, stick it in the ground, it will root, and in 2 years it'll be 15 feet tall.
Yeah.
It grows like crazy, crazy. Probably don't want to plant that close to your house or your water lines or anything like
They
that.
also have real sappy.
They do. Yeah, I can imagine
Sappy.
someone who might be allergic to like mango sap or something
Or
like that.
latex.
Yeah, might be allergic to this because they do have like kind of a, see that white sap that comes out when you break a
Very
leaf off.
sticky.
Yeah, it is sticky. All right, is that it?
Yep.
All right, so we didn't have a huge banner day today, but we still got some good stuff.
Yeah.
What do you think the find of the day is?
Elephant ear.
Yeah.
Maybe the fur.
I agree. I would say we don't get, so elephant ear, we can't just take a leaf and root it, as far as I know. So, you know, it has to have some roots. And we don't get that very often. So I would agree with Teddy. Either the elephant ear or the fern would be the find of the day. I agree. All right, cool. All right, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the adventure here. If you did enjoy our adventure today, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. If they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
You'll get hit by an 18-wheeler.
Oh, you'll get hit by an 18-wheeler, which I don't know where Teddy came up with that one, but let's just avoid all that and consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.